Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am practicing and polishing my RC helicopter's 3D skills these days so that I can fly this bad boy. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, Alishan Mal here. Yes, I am practicing and polishing my RC 3D helicopter skills so that I can fly and enjoy the all-new Ohio Model Planes M2 RC helicopter. Now I can tell you, this will definitely take some good skills to handle this little piece right here. Let me not waste your time by just holding it and talking to the camera. Let me bring the camera closer, unbox this sweet little baby that I have been waiting for. We'll take a closer look at this M2 helicopter, we'll talk about its features, and then you will know why I'm calling this a little bad boy. Ohio Model Plane Hobby team definitely have spent tremendous amount of work, research and development to design this all-new M2 helicopter. Now M2 helicopter offers direct drive dual brushless motors, and that is why this helicopter offers uninterrupted pure brushless power for you to pull some serious hardcore 3D on this mini helicopter. And no wonder they are calling it a superior 3D performance RC helicopter. The main rotor blades are 400mm. The total length of the helicopter is only 410mm. The helicopter is using dual brushless motors, okay, one in the tail and one to direct drive the main rotor head. That means there are no more gears now in the helicopter. That reduces the weight, that reduces the resistance. There's no more noise of grinding gears. There's no more main gear becoming bad or ripped and you have to buy and replace. And also this setup maximizes the efficiency. Flybarless head made of 7075 aviation aluminum alloy. Now that will take some serious crashes to break that metal head right there. The helicopter is using on-flight system that allows you to easily switch between self-leveling and full 3D modes instantly using a switch on your radio control. The OFS system also supports S-Bus, DSM2, DSM-X satellite receivers. That means I can bind my OMPHOBBY radio straight to this helicopter OFS, the flight system, configure it and go for 3D flights. I love the way the helicopter is basically packed in this neat box. Very secure packing. Behold, the beauty with charm orange color is right here. Come on up, come on, don't be shy, just come out, yeah. Oh, look at this beauty right here. First off, really very lightweight mini RC helicopter. I have already told you the total length is 410mm and main rotor length is 400mm. The helicopter is only 300 grams. Now when it comes to the looks, definitely the team has spent a good amount of time in R&D and the design of this helicopter. Dual brushless motor, direct drive. You have a tail brushless motor right here, which is a Sunny Sky R11-3 brushless motor, which again a direct drive. And having a direct drive brushless motor here means there is no belt, there is no torque tube down there. Very clean and neat setup, and with the brushless power on the tail, the helicopter definitely will offer you a solid tail lock and respond on rudder. And if you're looking at the main power drive right here, it's also a direct drive brushless motor. It's a Sunny Sky R40-3 brushless motor that is connected to main rotor directly to spin it. No more gears here, people. No more main gears, no more other smaller gears. So basically the helicopter is not running any kind of gears here. It's a gearless helicopter. Once again, having no gears means you save weight for the gears, you save money for the gears, there's no noise for the gears. You know, with the geared motors, there's always a noise of gears grinding. You sometimes rip the gears, you have to replace the gear, especially upon every crash, you have to replace the main gears. So there are no more gears here. It's totally highly efficient system, totally highly efficient direct drive brushless motor system. More power, I would say pure evil brushless power going to your main rotor head for highest RPM on your main rotor head to pull some serious hardcore 3D. And that is the reason I'm practicing my 3D moves. Canopy is a fiberglass canopy, pre-painted. There are 3 different colors. I got Charm Orange. Why did I get Charm Orange? Well, I can answer now because I can match my M2 helicopter color with my orange SUV, and obviously I have orange shirt as well. And I definitely love this bright color. It's really very easy to see the helicopter in the air. That was another reason I went for Charm Orange color. Look at the CNC aluminum alloy main rotor head and main rotor head parts. That is, swash plate is also CNC aluminum alloy. There are more CNC parts here, custom CNC parts. Now the servos to control the swash plate 1, 2 and 3 are 10 gram high speed, high precision digital metal gear servos designed by OMPHOBBY for the M2 helicopter. Metal gear servos definitely have better chance of survival when crashing the helicopter. On the front, on the top front, there is an OMPHOBBY OFS. This is a specially designed from the ground up flight control system for M2 helicopter by Ohio Model Planes. It supports the Futaba S-Bus, DSM-2 and DSM-X satellite receivers. So binding this to a Futaba radio or a Spectrum JR radio should be a breeze. The OFS flight control system right here offers 3 flight mode, that is attitude stabilized mode, soft 3D and hard 3D mode. So in a stabilization mode, beginners can have fun flying it around and, you know, control the helicopter easily. In soft 3D mode, you can fly the helicopter indoors, and for hardcore 3D mode, you can bring this bad boy outdoors. I love the design of the frame and the helicopter. By just looking at it, you can tell the maintenance on this helicopter is going to be really very easy. I mean, replacing the servos, should you damage the servos, there are very few parts. There aren't many parts, and replacing those parts should be just a breeze. So don't worry about crashing. If you're crashing, replacing the parts or repairing the helicopter, maintaining the helicopter should be very, very easy. The main rotor seems to be redesigned right here for M2 helicopter to provide efficient and powerful flights. Now check this out. Having to have direct drive brushless motor, no gears. There is no sound. It's just quiet. There is no grinding. And the main rotor is really free, very free. There is no friction, there's no resistance of those gears that used to be in older design. The direct drive definitely offering total pure brushless power to your main rotor head. That is why this helicopter is capable of offering really serious head speeds to pull hardcore 3D on this helicopter. Alright, this is all for the OMPHOBBY M2 helicopter unboxing, a closer look and a talk about this feature. Now you know that definitely this helicopter packs a serious and superior 3D performance, and that is the reason I'm practicing and polishing my skills on flight simulators. So give me a couple of more days to polish my skills a bit more, and obviously then I can have fun properly with my M2 helicopter. The next video I will post will be how I'm setting up my Futaba radio control with the M2 helicopter, and I can post my setup as well. And then can't wait to bring this little bad boy out. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.